Hi, this is Rahim Zulfikar Ali from Excel Basement. In this video we will learn that how to sum based on a criteria, and we will have a multiple criterias where we need to sum the number, but also we need to exclude the weekends and the holidays from dates as well. So let's get started. The function which we will be applying here in this particular example is SUMIFS. I have a data set here which has two columns, dates and amount, which is being converted into a table format so that I can use the structured reference in my SUMIFS function. So let's get started. We need a sum of an amount where the date starts from the 6th of January till 23rd January. Okay, so if I do it manually just to check the number, I can use the sum function, and I start with the 6th of January, which is in row number 8, and till the 23rd of January, which is row number 25. Okay, so it gives me 4061. Now how to get this number through SUMIFS? Let's start. Equals to SUMIFS. The first function argument is the sum range, where we need to define the column which contains a number. So we will select the amount column from this table. This table name is basically data, okay, and the column name is amount. Next is criteria range 1. So the criteria range 1 is again from the data table. We have the dates, right? So because we have the structured reference, so we don't need to go to the ranges and select the entire column again and again. We can just call the names into our function arguments. And the starting date, now the criteria 1 is basically is greater than and equals to inverted commas close ampersand sign and the starting date. So the starting date is basically in cell H4, right? Then criteria range 2. Now definitely we need to define the end date as well. So again from the data table, the dates column, we will put the criteria 2, which will be less than and equals to ampersand the end date cell. Okay, and we will get 4061. So if we change the criteria, for example, if we want to get the starting date instead of 6th of January, we want 3rd of January, definitely the function is working absolutely fine, right? So let me put it again 6th of January. Now what if that between 6th of January till 23rd of January, if we have Saturday and Sunday, which is the weekend, and we want to exclude the weekend balances from this particular balance, which is 4061, how are we going to do that? So we will take a help of a helper column, and we will add one function here, which is weekday. What weekday will do is basically we have different types of return type in a weekday. So as you know that there are 7 days in a week, which starts from 1 till 7. So if I select the return type 1, which states that the first day of the week is Sunday and then it ends to Saturday, which is 7th. Another type is on 2. The second type is the first day of the week starts from Monday, which is the first, and till the Sunday, which is the 7th day of the week. So according to your country region, you can select the return type. In this case I will be selecting the 2 here, and I will close the bracket. So it returns a number. It basically gives us that which particular day number is this date belongs to, okay, and the number will be between 1 till 7, right? Now we know that we need to exclude Saturday and Sunday. So Saturday will return every Saturday will return the 6th weekday, and every Sunday will return the 7 from here. Okay, so we need to exclude 6 and 7, and we need to include 1 till 5, right? So how are we gonna define in this particular let's say function? So let's start again. I will go to criteria range 1, and I will say that from the data, now we have a column which is the weekday, and the criteria will be that should be less than 6, that less than 6, okay, and it gives me 2794. So for my understanding, if I check, let's say weekday equals to text, and if I select a date, and let me check which day is particular day belongs to. So we know that between 6th of January till 23rd of January we have this Saturday and Sunday, right? Then we have another Saturday and Sunday here as well, and then we have 23rd as the Saturday. So if we do it manually, something like equals to sum from 6th of January till 23rd of January, and we start excluding Saturday and Sunday balances. So the first Saturday, then Sunday, then another weekend lies in between this range. Let me subtract that as well, just to check the number that sum is producing the correct result. So you can see that manually, if we extract the numbers excluding weekends, we get 2794 here, and this is exactly same done by the SUMIFS. Now what if for example, if we have there are some holidays in between the working days, so how we gonna handle that as well? So I will add another helper column in my this table, and let's suppose there is a holiday on 13th and 14th of January, right? So I will write holiday in that same row by using the helper column, and what I will do is I will say to the SUMIFS that from the data table pick the holidays column, and in the range not equals to, so do not pick the holidays cells which contains holidays, okay? Exclude the holidays. Okay, so not equals to the holiday, okay, and it's triple to 1 balance. So if I still subtract 2794 minus this 13th of January and then 14th of January, which have two specific holidays in the working days, so triple to 1 is the answer, right? So this is how we have excluded basically the weekends and the holidays from the dates between range, and we have got a number of sum which starts from 6th of Jan till 23rd of Jan.